In this video, I'm going to show you how to rehire an employee in BambooHR. Now to do this on your dashboard, you want to go to the top over here where you can see the search box, and what you want to do is type in the name of the employee you want to rehire. Now sometimes, of course, this is going to be an employee which you may have terminated or something like that, so just type in their name. I'm going to type in Ashley because that's one I terminated over here for this tutorial. Now this is just some sample data I'm showing in this video. I'm not actually leaking anyone's info, so don't worry. I'm gonna go and click on this person over here, and then to actually rehire them, it's super simple. You want to click on those three dots top right, and if they have been basically terminated, it's gonna say either inactive or employment ended over here or something like this, and you can then just go ahead and click on the three dots and click on rehire employee. Now when you do this, it's going to pop up the window over here, which looks like this. You have to type in the effective date. I'm going to do tomorrow, for example, over here. Employment status, I'm going to do full-time. And then you have to select the job title, reporting to over here. Then department, of course, and then division as well. And then over here, you also have to set the location. And then just click on save whenever you're done with this. And that's all you have to do to rehire an employee in BambooHR. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.